In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PPT to video in Canva, step by step. We'll start right at the source. Open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you're brand new, create an account first, then sign in so everything you make is saved automatically. Next, upload your PowerPoint file. From the Canva home screen, you can click Create a Design to start a new project or go straight to Upload to bring in your slides. Select your .ppt or .pptx file from your computer. Canva will import the slides and place them into a new design. Give it a moment to process. Larger decks can take a bit longer, and that's normal. Once your slides are in, you can edit them if you want. This part is optional, but it's a great time to tidy up anything that didn't transfer perfectly. You can add animations, transitions between slides, background music, a voiceover, short video clips, fun stickers, or fresh backgrounds using Canva's left-hand toolbar. Keep things consistent with your brand colors and fonts, and use the preview at the top to see how everything feels. Now set your slide timing. Every slide needs a duration, so it plays for the right amount of time in the final video. Click a slide, then look at the timeline along the bottom. Drag the ends to set how long it should stay on screen. A simple starting point is 5 seconds per slide, but adjust based on how much content there is. If a slide has more text or an animation to finish, give it a little more time. Repeat this for all the slides you plan to include. If you'd like to add motion, select any text or image and click Animate. Choose an effect like fade, pop, slide, or rise. Keep it subtle and consistent so it enhances your message without distracting from it. You can preview as you go to make sure it looks smooth. To add audio or a voiceover, head to the audio section to pick background music. Choose a track that supports your content, then lower the volume so it doesn't overpower narration. For voice recording, open apps and use Present and Record, or upload a voice file you recorded elsewhere. Place the audio on the timeline and trim the ends so it starts and stops cleanly with your slides. When everything looks and sounds right, it's time to export. Click Share, choose Download, set the file type to MP4 video, and click Download. Canva will convert your presentation into a video and save it to your computer. Play it back to confirm the timing, animations, and audio are exactly how you want them. And that's it. You've turned your PowerPoint into a polished video using Canva.